morning, everyone. In this COVID-19 situation, the Mumbai Municipal Corporation Education Department has started the online education for all children. Before starting the lesson, I would like to give my introduction. Myself, Bharat Bandal from Mahim Mori Road Municipal Upper Primary English School. First of all, I would like to say thank you to my administrative officer, Mrs. Snehalata Dumbre Madam, Nodal Beat Officer, Mr. Sharad Kurade Sir, Nodal HM, Mrs. Mary Pushpam Paul Madam, Assistant Nodal HM, Mrs. Manpriti Kaur Anand Madam, and my CNO, Mr. Ratilal Kisan Burungule Sir. Now, children, tell me what you see in this picture.
Chocolates.
Yes, Cadbury chocolates. Okay. Now, I am asking you a question. Try to give the answer of that question. Okay. Now, tell me, have four chocolates. If you have four chocolates and your mother gives you another three chocolates to you. Okay. So now, how many chocolates you have all together?
7.
Yes, very good. These four chocolates and your mother gives you three chocolates. That means now you have 7 chocolates all together. Okay. So the total number of chocolates, what you did to get the total number of chocolates, what you did?
Addition.
Yes, very good. Addition. You add the two numbers, these 4 numbers and the 3 numbers. You add or you combine or you join. That means addition. You add the 2 numbers. Okay, 4 numbers and 3 numbers. When you add 2 numbers, that time you will get the total number of chocolates. Okay, so what is the meaning by addition? What is the meaning by addition? Addition means what? In the addition is a mathematical operation in which the 2 or more numbers are combined. Addition means what? 2 or more numbers
combined.
Very good. 2 or more numbers combined. 2 or more numbers join. How? For example, in your class, there are 26 boys. In your class, there are 26 boys and 24 girls. So, to find out the total number of students, what you have to do? You have to
add it.
Yes, you have to add these 2 numbers. Okay. Means when you add these 2 numbers, boys and girls, when you add 26 and 24, okay, that time you will get the total number of students. Okay. Means what is the definition of addition? The addition is the mathematical operation in which 2 or more numbers are combined. Here also we combine the 2 numbers 26 and 24. After that we get the number of students. Okay. Now this is the sign or symbol of the addition. In the mathematics, the symbol or sign is the very important. While solving any equation, first of all, you should see the symbol. Okay. And this is the symbol of addition. This is the symbol of addition. We can call it plus. We can call it plus also. Okay. This is the very important. Remember these things. While solving in a mathematics, while solving any equation, any sum, you should see the first symbol or sign. Okay. Next, now in the fourth standard, we have learned that how to read the five-digit number. Okay. Now, tell me, the question is that read the following numbers. Okay. And the numbers are given below. So before starting or before reading the numbers, what you have to see? You have to see the digits. Okay. You have to see the digits. How many digits are there in that number? Now tell me how many digits are here in first number?
5.
Yes, very good. How many digits are here? 5 digits.
5.
Anyone can tell me the place of every digit?
6 places unit.
Place. Yes, very good. First place
9.
is unit. After
9.
that,
9th places 10.
tens. After that,
4th places 100.
100. After that,
6th places 1000.
1000.
And
Next
7th
is
places 70,000.
which place?
70,000.
1000. After that, 1000. 10,000 is there.
Yeah.
Okay. After that,
Yeah.
1000. 10,000. So
Hmm.
now anyone can read this number?
Yes.
Yes, read.
Can. 76,496.
Yes, very good. 76,496. So for reading the numbers, first of all, you should see that how many digits are there. And after that, you have to see that the place. Okay. And then it's very easy to read. After now, the next is how many digits are in next number? How many digits are in next number? Second number. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many digits are here? 6 digits. After that, what I said, what you have to see? The place. Okay. Unit, tens, hundred, 1000, 10,000, and after the 10,000, which place is here? Lakh. Okay. So now who will read this number?
5 lakh.
Yes, 5 lakh
45,000.
45,000
803.
803. Very good. 5 lakh 45,803. Okay, means after the 10,000 there is a place lakh. Okay. Here also how many digits?
6.
6 digits. Okay. So anyone can read this number. First of all, see that place. Unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and lakh. Okay. Who will read this number? Anyone can read?
8 lakh.
8 lakh.
90,000.
Not 90,000.
9,000.
9,000.
400.
450.
50.
Very good. Okay. Means we have seen that before reading the numbers, you have to see that how many digits are there and what is the place of each and every digit. Okay. Next, now we are going to learn the addition without carrying over. How to add 4-digit number, how to add 5-digit number, how to add 6-digit number. Okay. The first example is given before solving the any equation. What I said, you have to see the numbers. First number is given the 24,621. After that, one sign is here. What I said, you should see the sign. First, you should see sign. Which sign is here? Which sign is here?
Addition.
Addition, plus. We can say plus also. Okay. Means 24,621 plus 53,276. Means here what we have to do, we have to add. And what is the meaning of add? Addition means what? We have to combine two or more numbers. We have to combine. Means we have to combine these two numbers. That time we will get the answer. Okay. So while the number is given in a horizontal way and you have to add it vertical way, that time you have to see that how many digits are here. Here also 5 digit and here also 5 digit. Okay. In the first number there are also 5 digits and in the second numbers also have 5 digits. Okay. So first of all you have to draw the 5 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 like this. Okay. Before solving the any equation of the addition, any sum of the addition, that time you have to see that the digits, how many digits are there. Here also 5 digit and here also in the second number also has 5 digit. That's why here I have made how many columns, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, because the both numbers has 5 digits. After that write down the place. First place is unit. After that T means what? Tens. H means
Hundreds.
hundreds. After that
Thousand.
H means thousand and
10,000.
10,000. Okay. So after that what you have to see? You have to write the first number. But while writing the first number, you have to start the writing the numbers from unit place. Which number is on unit place? Here
1.
1. So write down 1 is on unit place. Here you can see. Okay. And 2 is on tens place. Then write down 2 is on tens place. After that 6 is on 100 place. Then write down 6 is on 100 place. 4 is on 1000 place and 2 is on 10,000 place. After that what is given? The sign or symbol. Which sign is here?
Plus sign.
Plus sign. So you have to put the plus here. Okay.
Yeah.
Then write down the second number. While writing the second number also you have to follow the same process. Write down first of all unit place number. Which number is on unit place? 6.
6.
Write down in the unit column. After that 7 in the tens column, 2 in the hundreds column, 3 in the thousand column and 5 in the 10,000 column. Okay, understood?
Yes.
After that what you have to do? You have to start the addition. You have to start the combine the two numbers. Okay. While doing the addition, every time remember the one thing is, this is the very important. While doing the addition, every time you have to start from unit place. You have to start from unit place. If the sum is carrying over or without carrying over, then also you have to start from unit place.
Unit place.
Now here you can see that the first number is, first column is unit place and we have to every time we should start from this unit place. Okay. So here the number is given 1 plus 6, means we have to combine these two numbers or we have to join these two numbers. That time we will get the answer. Okay. 1 plus 6. So anyone can tell me 1 plus 6
1 plus 6 is equal
is
to
equal
7.
to 7. Means we have to start from here, unit place. Remember this one thing, very important. Okay. After that, come to the tens place. Which digits are there? 2. 2 plus
7.
7. 2 plus 7. Anyone can tell? 2 plus 7 is equal to
9.
9. Okay. After that, 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. What is the answer? 6 plus 2 is equal to
8.
8. Very good. After that, come to the thousand place. Here 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to
7.
7. After that, come to the 10,000 place. Here 2 plus 5 is equal to
7.
7. Okay. Understood? Means when we combine these two numbers, 24,621 plus 53,276. When we combine these two numbers, when we join these two numbers, that time we will get this answer. Okay. What is the answer? We will read 77,897.
7.
Okay. Now, the next is addition with carrying over. We have seen that addition without carrying over. Now, we are going to learn the addition with carrying over. Okay. Here you can see that the two numbers are given. Here also two numbers are given. 28,694. 28,694. Here sign is given. What is the sign?
Plus sign.
Plus means 28,694 plus 44,536. Okay. Here also you have to follow the same process. Which process we have done in the without carrying over? The same process we have to follow. How many digits are here? Here also 5 digits, and the second number also has 5
5
digits.
digits.
Okay. That means how many columns you have to draw? 5 columns.
5.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many columns? 5 columns.
5.
After drawing the columns, what you have to do? You have to write down the place, unit, tens, hundred, thousand, and
10,000.
10,000. Okay. And after that, what you have to do? You have to write the first number. You have to write the first number. But before writing the first number, you have to see that you have to start from unit place. You have to start the right numbers from the unit place. Which number is on unit place?
4.
4. Okay. And
Yes.
which number is on tens place? 9.
9.
After that, write down 6, 8. You have to give the sign plus. Okay. And then write down the. So while doing the addition with carryover, here also you have to follow the same rule. And here also you have to start the addition from the unit place. Okay. Now, which digits are in the unit place? Anyone can tell me? Here, which
4.
digits are on the unit
4.
place?
4.
4. And after that,
6.
6.
4 plus 6.
10.
4
10.
plus 6 is equal to
10.
10. Now we get the value of 2-digit value. Okay.
Yeah.
When we get the 2-digit answer in a 2-digit, that time what you have to do? You have to write the unit place down. Unit place down, and 1 is you have to write carryover. Understood?
Yes.
When we get the 2-digit answer in a 2-digit, that time the unit place value you have to write in the column below, and the tens place number you have to write carryover to the before place, to that before place. This one is 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. You have to write 0 here and 1. You have to write carry over. Okay. Now, in the next column, next place is tens place. Okay. Which number is given? 9 plus
9,
9 plus
3,
3. 9 plus 3 is equal to
12,
9 plus 3 is equal to
12,
12. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12.
12,
And one carry over. Carry over also you have to add. 12 plus
yes,
12 plus 1,
13,
13. Means here we get the answer 13.
13,
9 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 13. Here
13,
also what you have to do? You have to write 3 down and 1
carry over,
carry. Okay. In the next place is the 100 place. Here which numbers are given? 6 plus 5. 6 plus
5,
5. 6 plus 5 is equal to
11,
11. 11 plus 1 carry over.
12,
Remember this one thing. Don't forget to add carry over also. Okay. 11
yes,
plus 1 is equal to
12,
12. Okay. So when we get the answer 12, that time you have to write 2, means unit place value you have to write down here, and 1 is
carried over,
yes, 1 you have to write carry over. Okay. Now the last place is 10,000. The last place is 10,000. Here, sorry. Now come to the 1,000 place. 8 plus
4,
8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. And after that, what you have to add?
1,
Carry over. Carry over also you have to add. Then you will get 13.
13,
And here also you have to write the unit place here down, and 1 is
carried over,
carry. Okay. Then come to the last place, and the last place is 10,000. Now which numbers are given in the 10,000 place?
2
Plus
and
4.
4,
2 plus
4,
4. 2 plus 4 is equal to
7,
2 plus 4 is equal to 7. 6.
6,
And 1 carry over equal to 7.
7,
Here only one digit number is here. That's why you have to write the 7 as it is in the last place. Okay. Understood?
yes,
Understood how to solve the 5 digits number, how to add 5 digit number. Then when we add the 28,694 plus 44,536, that time you will get the answer 73,230.
30,
Okay. Now the next example is 6-digit number. How to add a 6-digit number? Every time you should remember the one thing, that is when the two numbers are given, that time you have to see that how many digits are there. Here, how many digits are here? 6
6
digits.
digit,
Okay. And read the number first. 3,58,696.
6,
After that, sign. Which sign is given?
plus sign,
Plus 33,58,696 plus 2,64,546. 6. Means these two numbers, 6-digit number, we have to combine, we have to join. That means we have to add. Okay. Here also you have to follow the same process. First of all, you have to draw the 6 column. After drawing the 6 column, you have to write down the place, unit place, and tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, and lakh place. After that, you have to leave the one row like this. You can see. Okay, here you can see
6 plus 6, 12.
the unit tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and lakh. Place also written, and after that, the one row is blank. For what?
Plus 6, 12.
Carry over numbers.
To give the carry over. Okay, and after that, the numbers are given. Here also, what you have to do, you have to start from
Units.
you have
Units.
to start from unit place. Okay. Now, unit in the unit place, which numbers are given? 6 plus
12.
6. 6 plus 6 is equal to
12.
6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So what you have to write here? Which number, which digit you have to write down?
2.
Down
1 carry over.
2.
and 1.
Carry
Carry
over.
Yeah, very good. After that, come to the tens place. Which digits are given? 9 plus
4.
4. 9 plus
13.
4 is equal to
13.
13. And we have to add carry over also. 13 plus 1,
14.
14. Okay, 14. So from the 14, which digits we have to write down?
4.
4 and 1
Carry
Carry
over.
over.
carry over. After that, come to the 100 place. Which digits are given? 6 and 5.
5.
6 plus 5 is equal to
11.
11.
6 plus 5 is equal to 11.
11.
11 plus 1 carry over is equal to
12.
12.
12. So from the 12, which digits you have to write down?
2.
2 and 1
Carry over.
Carry over.
carry over. Here also, come to the 1000 place. Which digits are given? 8 plus 4. 8
4.
plus 4 is equal to
12.
12.
Sorry. 13, sir.
13. 13.
8 plus 4 is equal to 12 and 1 carry over is equal to
13.
okay. From the 13, which numbers we have to write down?
3.
3. 1
13.
And carry over.
okay. Here 5 come to the 10,000 place. 5 plus 6 is
11.
equal to 11 plus 1 carry over
1.
is equal to
12.
12. From the 12, which number you have
12
to write
miss.
down?
Sorry, sir. 12.
And 1 carry.
Carry over.
Come to the last column, and the last column is lakh. 3 plus 2,
12.
5.
5. 5 plus 1,
6, sir.
6. This is the answer. Okay. Means 3,58,696 plus 2,64,546 is equal to, what is the answer?
6. 6
6 lakh
lakhs
23,240
23,240.
very good. Okay. Now means what? If you understood once, if you understood how to
लेना पड़ेगा
digit,
बताओ
four
हम लोग के
digit,
लिए ऑनलाइन के लिए
then it's very easy to
अरे
add
नहीं
7 digit,
अगर
8
ट्यूशन में
digit,
टीचर ने कुछ
5
पढ़ाया
digit, and 6
तो
digit.
टीचर बोले अगर इसको ऑनलाइन में पढ़ाऊंगी तो कैसे बता पाएगी तो मिस्टर बोले
Parents, please stop talking. Next, the next example is given. You can see that in the first number, how many digits? 6 digits are there. And in the second number, how many digits are given?
5.
5 digits. Okay. Here you confuse. All times you confuse. So please pay attention and listen carefully. in the first number 6 digits, when in the first number more digits are given, and in the second number only 5 digits, means less digits are you. Okay, here also we have to do the addition. When this type of numbers are given, when these types of numbers are given, that time what you have to do, you have to see that which number has more digit. The first number has
First number.
more digit. And how many digits are there?
6 digits.
6. Okay, so you have to draw the column as per that number, as per that bigger number. Means how many columns you have to draw now? 6, because first number has more digit, and that is 6. So that time what you have to do, you have to draw the 6 columns like this, and after that write down the place, unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Then leave the one line for carry over. Okay, now see, when the first number is given the 6 digits, and in the second number there are 5 digits only. Here also you have to follow the same process. You have to start writing the digits from the unit place. Okay, which number is on unit place here? In the first number 9. Okay, so you have to write the 9 in the units column, 3 in tens column, 8 in the 100 column, and 5 in the 1000 column, and 6 in the 10,000 column, and 3 in the lakh column. Understood? Means you have to write the numbers from unit place. 9 here, 9. After that 3. After that 8. After that 5, and then 6, and then 3. Okay. After writing the first number, what you have to do? You have to give the sign plus. Okay. Now you can see in the first number there are 6 digits, and in the second number there are only 5 digits. That time what you have to do? Here also, while writing the second number, here also you have to start from unit place. First of all, write down unit place. Which number is on unit place? Which digit is on unit place? Which digit? 1. Okay. After that, write down tens place. 7, then 3, then 5, then 4. Here you can see that one column is blank. Okay. Why? Because the second number only has 5 digits. Understood? Now the next is, you can see that when the first digit has when the first number has more digit and the second number has less digit, that time how to arrange the numbers. Okay, here while writing the second number, one column is blank. The place of lakh is a blank because there is a no number. So don't write anything here, just leave it blank. Okay, after that, here also you have to follow the same process. Here also you have to start the addition from the unit place. Here you can see that here is a unit place, and you have to start from here. In the unit place there are 9 and 1. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So when you will get the 2-digit answer, that time you have to write the unit place digit down, and 1 is carry over. Okay. Now come to the tens place. Where is the tens place? Here. Here also you have to follow the same process. Only remember the one thing that if the second number has a less digit, that time you have to blank this space. You have to blank this, you have to leave the blank this column or this place. Don't write anything here. Okay. Now come to the tens place. Which digits are given? 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 10 plus add carry over 1. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So write down 1 here and 1 carry over. After that, the same process, come to the 100 place. Here two digits are given, 8 and 3. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. And add, in that 11, you have to add 1 carry over. If there is a no carry over, then don't add. Remember this one thing. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11, and 11 plus 1 carry over is equal to 12. So from the 12, you have to write 2. Unit place digit you have to write down, and 1 is carry over. Okay. Now come to the thousand place. Here 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 10 plus 1 carry over 11. So write down 1 here and 1 carry over. Okay. Now come to the 10,000 place. 10,000 place, here also 6 and 4 is given. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Here also you have to write 1 down and 1 carry over. Here you can see that only one digit is here, 3. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to add directly carry over. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Means when you add the 3,65,839 plus 45,371, that time you will get the answer 4,11,210. Okay. Now the next is when the 3 number is given and you have to add it. When the 3 numbers are given and you have to add them, that time how to follow the process, how to arrange them vertically. So here also the same process. First of all, you have to see that which number has a more digit. Which number has a more digit? The first number has more digit. How many digits are here? 5. And in the second number there are only 4 digits. And in the third number has 2 digits. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to draw the column. You have to draw the column. But how? You have to see first. You should see that which number has more digit. The first number has more digit, and it's a 5. So you have to draw the 5 column. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After that, write down place, unit, 10, 100, 1,000, and 10,000. Okay. So that leave the one line, leave the one row for the carryover. So here also you have to follow the same process. First of all, you have to see that how many digits? 5 digits. So what you have to do? You have to start the writing the numbers. You have to start writing the numbers from unit place. Write down first number. Which number is on unit place? 6. Which number is on tens place? 5. Which number is on 100 place 3. So you have to write the 3 in 100 column. And which number is on 1000 place? That is 4. So you have to write the 4 in 1000 column. And after that, which number is on 10,000 place? There is a 7. So you have to write the 7 in 10,000 column. Okay. After that, what you have to see? Symbol. Which symbol is given? Plus. So write down plus. Then you have to write the second number. While writing the second number also, you have to follow the same process and same rules. You have to start from the unit place. Okay. Which digit is on unit place? 2. So you have to write 2 is on unit place. After that, which digit is on tens place? It is 4. So write down 4 is on tens place. 6 is on 100 place. And 3 is on 1000 place. There is a no digit on 10,000 place. So don't write anything here. Don't write anything. Okay. Now, what you have to do? You have to see that again the symbol is given. So here again you have to draw the symbol or plus sign and then write down last number. While writing the last number also you have to write the unit place digit plus unit place digit first and after that tens place. Means when the numbers are given with the different digits, that time how to arrange the number. You can see here how to arrange the numbers like this. You have to put a sign here also, plus sign. Okay. After arranging the vertically, here also you have to follow the same rules or same process. You have to start the addition from the unit place. Here 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 and 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. So from the 14 you have to write the 4 down and 1 carry over. Okay. Now come to the tens place. 5 plus 4 9, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 5 14. 14 plus 1 carry over 15. So from the 15 you have to write 5 down and 1 carry over. Here also you have to add 3 plus 6. Now you can see here there is a no number. There is a no digit in the third number on 100 place. So you have to add only these two digits also. Only these two digits. 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 9 plus 1 carry over is equal to 10. So from the 10 you have to write 0 here and 1 carry over. Okay. Now come to the 1000 place. Here also two digits are given. Only two digits are here. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1 carry over is equal to 8. Okay. And now come to the 10,000 place. On the 10,000 place, only one digits are given. It's a 7. Okay. So you have to write the 7 as it is. When the numbers are given in the with the different digits, that time how to arrange that numbers vertically. Okay. Here you can see that the first number is given. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits, and in the second number with the 4 digit, and the third number is given with 2 digits. That time how to arrange the numbers? While arranging the vertically, every time you should remember that one thing. You have to start writing the digits from unit place. Okay, means when you will add the 74,356 plus 3,642 plus 56. That time you will get the answer 78,054. Okay, means when the number is given with the different digit, you can see that the first number is given with 5 digit, second number is given with 4 digit, and the third number is given with 2 digits. Okay, understood
Yes.
how to arrange when the horizontally, when the numbers are given in horizontally, that time how to arrange the vertically. Here we have learned that how to add 3 numbers. Okay, understood?
Yes.
This is the homework for you. Okay, you can take a
Okay.
screenshot. You can take a screenshot. Here you have to put a sign. Okay, what you have to
Okay.
take? You have to take a screenshot of this example and solve it and send on the your WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye, sir.